Well, hello and welcome back to Piddle in the Marsh. And now I've pinched my drone back from Paul Sheedy at Wickford. We can do a bit of an overhead shot again. On a bit of a joke, he just keeps pinching my shots. Bit of friendly banter between us. I haven't done an update for a while because I haven't had an awful lot to show you. Because thanks to COVID and stuff, my employment, or my self-employment as it was, has had to come to an end. So I've had to go and do something else. Anyway, the bit we have got to show you is I've added a signal gantry to here. I was going to put some electric lights in, of which you can possibly just see one down by the side of the Class 31 there, which at the minute I've disconnected because I can't get them to work how I want, so I'm just waiting for something else to arrive to see if I can make it work, and if I do I might just put those back in, and then the signals will become the old semaphore ones will become disused ones. The other bit to something that's new, if you notice, is the Hymek now has a snowplow fitted. Now I wasn't actually aware Hymeks had snowplows until I spotted a picture of one over in Strata, Florida, in Wales. And it seems that they did have a few of them that had the snowplow fitted. So I painted it white to match the window surrounds, and even though I say it myself, I think it looks rather good with it on. That's the Hymek that I did a rebuild on with a complete new motor, and it's going really well so far. You watch, that'll be the death of it now. It'll explode in front of us. It'll finish. Well, that's basically all I've actually really done to the layout. I haven't had time to do it because of all the other bits I've got to do with work and so on. Because unfortunately I now have a midnight midnight start time, which doesn't help. Oh, the other thing I've had to do as well, the street lights on the side here, I've had 3 of them go bang. So we've had to replace 3 of those with some nice new ones, which didn't go. We've got a few more people on here as well, outside the shop. And if any of you follow Piddle in the Marsh on Twitter, you'll probably recognise Norma Snockers there. And there's a few more down here by the car park and so on. And a couple more on the station there. Oh, look at that, one's fallen over. Oh well, you didn't see that, did you? I've moved the Pullman over onto the outer line for a change. Have it going the other way, does the motor's good. But that's basically all I've got to show you really. I just thought you'd wonder where I'd gone. It was a very dirty Class 52. Here's my little bubble car. This was the first thing I ever got to go with Piddle on the Marsh, was this bubble car. It just seems to run forever, that one. Doesn't do anything, doesn't need maintenance, just runs. Wonderful thing. don't know whether any of you have ever noticed, but there are actually some deer in the woods at the bottom of the hill there. And there's a second one standing at the bottom of his steps there as well. That's about all I've got to update you with, because not an awful lot has happened. So I'll just leave you with a few trains running. Should be 5 running at the minute. Well, I had to put a new speaker in this Class 47 with the sound on, which I've not got running because otherwise you wouldn't hear me very well. But the speaker literally started sounding absolutely atrocious, all sorts of funny noises coming out, and the internal gubbins on the speaker had just dropped to bits. So my friends over at YouTube's supplied me with a which was it, a Sugar Cube Curve 7, which fits inside it absolutely spot on, makes a hell of a noise now. Tell you what, if you want to, I'll see if I can sort it out. As you can see, makes a hell of a noise.